Okay, I've spent something like 30 minutes or 40 minutes relaxing. This is Warwick Avenue. So we're starting the West Street tour. That's Warwick, that's the English market. That grey structure appearing there is Berea Road railway station. Flyover of the N3. The green roof feather there, it is the early morning market there. And then this is the Durban Christian Center, which has now become CFCI. Amateksi Umlazi aqhamuka ngala, amateksi aqhamuka ku Smith Street aqhamuka la, amajika ashonele noma amanye aqhubeka ashonele. The same thing with people mover bus, does exactly the same, etc. So that's the main entrance basically of taxis, buses from the south coast of the south of Durban. And therefore also those as alternative routes of entry, especially amateksi asemlazi kade ehlisa abantu along Umbilo Road. Alright, so now that's the King Dinuzulu Park. We've already spoken about it. What Julius Nyerere has got to do with Durban is another mystery that you can ask the ANC about. Okay, I need to cross over now. I'm going back to the town. I don't know who's crossing. So that's the DUT City Campus. It used to be the music school, and that's the Metropolitan Police. All right, and then we go to the city center. We head up back to the city center. Are those police effective here? I think they are. All right, because the level of stability we still have on this side is because of their presence. So let me be thankful to these ones. Be thankful to these ones. And then KFC also has made this corner to be neat. And then there is a plan. There's a drawing which was brought forth via small projects of Durban in terms of plans. There's a beautiful building that is planned to be built here. All right, but that requires some stability, but those taxi ranks are neat, they are fine. So we're coming from there and then we're going to West Street now. Sesiyaku West Street. Alright, all those ranks to Mzinto, to Umbilo, to the south of Durban basically, they are all there, including Chesterville taxis as well. They are there. So it's a very, very busy area now. Maybe I should cross over and so that I can show you from the other side, because this is important. Let's not walk this side, let's cross over. Okay, the problem that we have before I cross over is these problems. See, accumulation, it's not an overnight thing, it's just basically the total neglect of the area by the municipality workers. This is not stuff that is basically a peshukiswa or more. Yeah? It's simply total neglect of this area. I don't know what they think students must do here, because then they've got to smell this. And this was a very serene building, basically, of the music school. You don't want to be singing and having all the flies from here. Okay. Immigrants of Indians and their Islamic regalia of Indian Muslims.